What, Aaron?
On a big bag of pudding. I can't pick up anymore. I can't pick up anymore.
Got it? Watch out, Aaron. Watch out. Come on, Aaron. Mama already got you a box, so we're gonna put it back over here because Mama has one that she bought already.
Oh man, I'm gonna bust this thing.
Aaron, don't you do it?
And she didn't get my.
Aaron. Aaron, she got some of those too. Come on. She got some of those too. While you were in the bathroom, she got them. She got them while you were in the bathroom.